Getting running water at Blues Ranch should have been easy, but it turned into a 2-day nightmare. What started as a simple plan, tow the trailer, fill the tank, pump it into the trailer, turned into one problem after another. From towing issues to unexpected leaks, we hit every snag imaginable. But after 48 hours of trial and error, we finally got it working.
Road trip to Blues Ranch. We got to stop to get gas first. Because then we're like, we have to stop at Needles. Have they not seen Final Destination? Yay! We made it!
I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. Hey, a little bit more rocks we can put in.
Getting wet.
Ooh, it's growing.
Yeah.
Do we need to get like one of those weed things that we like hit everything?
Maybe.
Ooh, this is gonna be scary.
Alright, I think I did it. I got this on there. Hopefully I did it right. Got the hitch on there. Fingers crossed this doesn't come off like the first time I tried hauling it. Wish us luck. Put the extra attachment in here just because I don't feel safe for that. Let's do it. So the trailer, when we bought it, the woman said she made the tire flat, like she took the air out of it so that people wouldn't steal it from her yard. And now that tire's flat again. I think she was just bullshitting us. But it was $500 for all this, so like you pay what you get for. So first thing I gotta do right now is fill that tire up so I can back up properly and then drive it down the road. Got like 5 miles to go.
Yeah, see if you can do it.
Also, quick wardrobe change. My hair is looking crazy. Alright, so let's get this plugged into the car. No, wrong. So that worked. Alright, so we got a little bit of a leak there. I've got some Fix-A-Flat. I'm going to try to use that right now. That slime rescue. not great. Alright. Hopefully that... oh, and I just broke that off in there.
Oh no.
And it just popped out.
Damn. A day in the life of Nick.
Yeah, this is an everyday occurrence here. You can still see the air coming out.
Can't you just hammer it in?
Try. I had that mallet. Also, I need like a towel. Oh, I have mine.
Nick reading the instructions, which he should have done.
No, I'm reading the if on skin, wash with soap and water. Gotta wash with soap. Fuck.
Is he gonna stay, or is it gonna fall?
Better stay.
That's the Grand Canyon right there.
Alright, so I just got the card to fill up my water. It's a $7 card activation fee. And then I put $50 on it, and to get water, it's 4 cents a gallon. So
That's not bad.
No, I think it's pretty cheap. I just got to do some math. I was thinking 100 gallons of water, but maybe less to start. So this water, this well water is actually drinkable. So we could drink right out that spout. Once I put it in the trailer, I could drink it straight from my trailer. We're not going to do that just because we brought water, and also, I don't really trust well water sometimes. So
That's that Californian, you know.
Exactly, yeah. I got to go fill this up and see if we did it. Press pound to confirm. All right.
Good luck. Oh, we hear it. We hear it. I feel like there's nothing.
Oh no.
Oh God. Oh no.
Hold, stop, hit stop. Hit. Take two. The water dispenser was open on the tank. So let's go back to, let's do 45.
Oh my God.
All right.
Hey, it's your first time. It's supposed to happen. You didn't lose that much water. All right, so we just kind of sit and wait.
This is the moment of truth here.
Do we leave that card in there?
I don't know. Let me just see. Yeah.
I'm zooming in on that red cap there.
We got our 45, maybe 50 gallons, depending on how much I dumped out. This is the gas station, the Chevron at in Valley, but also known as Grand Canyon Junction. So it's where the roads from Flagstaff to Williams meet. It's right up there. We just got drinkable water. You can see the levels of it. It's not too much, but I'm really nervous for a lot of things. So hopefully we make it. All right, we got some water attached to here. We got to go like 4 miles and then 0.3 miles of dirt road with like 45 gallons of water. It's not much, but it is how much the camper's water tank can hold. So we're gonna try that to start because it might be easier to pump it into the water tank. Anyways, big old head's in the way.
Hey.
I really can't see though.
You're clear.
All right, and here we go. All right, let's put some hazards on. Hopefully those are actually working. It does feel better with weight on it though. It's just gonna be dicey when we get down to the road. All right, we're on the dirt road now with some water. Got to maneuver some puddles and bumps in the dirt. Alright, this is the bummer right here. I probably should have just gone through the puddle. I think I said that on the way out.
No, you remember?
Didn't guy say? Well, that guy told. But we were here
That guy
first.
lied.
What
happened? What happened?
It was like sideways.
You're so dramatic. Oh,
Did you see that thing?
yeah.
It was like Tokyo drifting around the corner. It's the last thing I need from a water tank.
Yeah, this is gonna be it. Oh my god. You hear that?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's leaning sideways on like the plate. There we go.
You got me stressed out.
You should be, man. That tips over, we gotta dump the water.
No. We do.
We can't lift it. Unless we can, but 45 gallons of water is pretty heavy.
I go to the gym.
Gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this behind the camper without breaking everything down.
Yeah. That's gonna be scary.
Yeah.
Do you want to get more water this week?
We'll see if we go through it.
We need a back entrance to the trailer.
I know.
Like if we but then it's like, but we can create a gate like there for the truck.
We can, yeah.
It's just another project.
I know.
Careful, there's water on the
I
side.
know. I need to go swing it kind of wide to get in though.
Okay. Also, I can smell the propane over here, like outside.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and you could hear it. It's like shh.
Why is everything happening?
So what's going on?
Just wet back here. I couldn't make that turn as sharp as I wanted.
Are you stuck now?
No. No, just some careful driving. I just gotta figure out. Yeah, it's this tire here. Mistakes were made. It was too muddy back here, and we're gonna try to pull the trailer around by hand. Here's Chef Jai. What are we cooking up?
I got us some kebabs. I have some bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers.
Oh.
And that's about it for tonight. Something super easy and simple after a very stressful day.
It was more stressful than thought previously, but
Your boy idea to put the truck.
hindsight's 2020. We'll get it out tomorrow.
We'll get it out. And if Yeah, Doug for some help, you know.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Yeah. You to help me
No,
out.
I'll help you with that. This is how we wash hands at Blues Ranch until we figure out that water system.
Yeah, I got jalapenos on my fingers.
Jalapenos don't want that.
Yeah, I can't touch my eyeballs tonight.
So Jai scrubs.
Yeah.
And then I have a water bottle.
Alright, do it slow though. Alright, let me get it wet. You need to wash your hands. Jesus.
I know. Well, so we were able to do this because we set up a system outside where we dug a trench and all the water funnels into that. It's got rocks at the bottom. All right, you ready for the...
Keep going. Yes. Alright, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Sizzling. Ooh. Some jalapeno poppers from the grill, some kebabs, some sausages.
My finger just got stuck in my hair.
Jai Doria getting her fingers stuck in her hair. We got wine, we got claws. Dinner time.
Yeah.
Alright, food review. How'd you do?
It was really good. It was delicious. I love like vegetables and meat. So the kebabs were good. I mean, we do got some vegetables left over. And we made the jalapeno poppers, which was delicious. So I'll give it 7 stars. 7 stars out of 10.
Ooh, it's a good score.
I know.
What do we got cooking tomorrow?
Tomorrow, we're going to wake up in the afternoon and we're going to make some ribs. Because it's 4th of July and you know we got to have some good ass... Am I allowed to curse?
Yeah.
We gotta have some good ass ribs.
Yep.
And then the next day, Sunday, cannot wait. I am the chef here, so I gotta always prepare for dinner. And we're gonna have chicken sandwiches, barbecue chicken sandwiches, and they're gonna be absolutely delicious. And I cannot wait to make
Love
them.
that.
Yeah.
I can't wait either.
We're gonna have corn for the sides every day. And then we have
Good
like
soup.
For like hors d'oeuvres. We're gonna have what are we gonna have, like the smoky sausages.
The what are they though? The smoky sausages are what?
The smoky little sausages.
Yeah, but how?
They're the hors d'oeuvres. Hors d'oeuvre. I want to hear you say it.
Hors d'oeuvres?
Oh.